Hi viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are on the website of ecommerceceo.com and there is a blog on the website, the recent one, the most recent one by Darren Demeters, how to start an e-commerce business from scratch in 2023. Let's see how we can do that. The e-commerce business industry is exploding. Brick and mortar stores that temporarily closed may never open again. I have been in retail since 2005. I have opened physical stores. I have launched profitable websites and I have marketed to small and large bounds online. The amount of interest in e-commerce right now is unprecedented. Shopping online used to be a convenience and a luxury. Now it's a necessity. The e-commerce business that I work with can't keep enough products stocked. E-commerce is projected to grow over 400% this decade. How to start an e-commerce business in 7 steps. So there are the 7 steps. Let's read them one by one. Online retail is a booming business growing safety at 8%, but I have seen too many e-commerce business struggles to get traction. Is It's taken me years to learn everything, including this page. Use the information here to set up your e-commerce store, protect your legally get your protect yourself legally, get your finances in order, market your sell product, and start building your store. There is nothing more rewarding starting a business from nothing and watching it grow. You build it up and no one can take it away from you. Building an e-commerce business takes more than choosing a brand name, writing product listing, and starting to sell products online. Even the best business ideas can flop doesn't if you aren't driving enough traffic to your site. Just starting out. Check out our e-commerce learning center. Then we have not sure how the e-commerce business works. Check out our e-commerce 101 article. Now let's go for more. Step number one, research e-commerce business models like dropshipping. The dropshipping business model is the simplest way to start an online digital, online dropshippers. Partner with manufacturers and fulfillment content, content to, sorry, fulfillment center to store, pack, and ship products on uh, you know, their behalf. This allows entrepreneurs to run their business without inventory risk or upfront investment. Then we have wholesale retail. The wholesale business model is similar to dropshipping, but there are a few key differences. Wholesalers buy products bulk in bulk from manufacturers at a discount and then sell them online at retail price. Private or white label. Typically, with private labeling, you are having products especially manufactured for you business. This e-commerce business model is great for entrepreneurs who want to build their own brand and have more control over the quality of their product. selling and selling on Amazon. Amazon business both is cute. Then it's quite sorry, it's quite different than selling your own website. When you sell on Amazon, you are selling your products alongside other third-party sellers. Then we have research on Amazon business models for e-commerce business models. I highly recommend you that you take your time and learn the difference business model and compare them mentally. That then decide which one best lines up with your resources and marketing strategies. Also think about where do you want to sell? Do you want to start your own online storage on Spotify, or do you want to sell on Amazon? Of course, you can do both, but marketing will be different. You can, even skip selling products yourself and become an affiliate marketer. You should also study, examples of successful businessmen before diving in. So, guys, these are all the things. Then we have start internet niches research. Don't pick on overly crowded niche, however, and skip anything dominated by the major brands. If you are having trouble with this, drill down further on what you want to do. The more specific you are, the less competitive you are likely to face. Niching down also gives you the benefit of having a lot of shoulder niches related to what you do, but not identical. You can work together with business owners in those niches to cross promote, become or acquire an affiliate and grow your customer base, right? Use data from Google Keyword Planner. This is a great way to determine the relative difficulty of ranking for various keywords in your niche, as well as getting an idea for how many people are searching for many things related to what you want to sell. So another one is Google Trends, through which you can find how what are the current affairs and what are the most highlighted things right now in hand. So see you guys soon in the next video. Till then, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates. Take care. Bye bye.